All right, so I just woke up, and when I woke up, I looked and the sun. I mean, the sun is very, very bright today, and I just feel like, you know what? Let me share something. So just pardon how I look, cause I actually just, well, not like I just woke up anyways, but yeah, I mean, I've not actually left my bed, but I just feel like, you know what? Let me share what I want to share without having to create so much paparazzi around that. Um, so I dropped a video yesterday, and honestly, the video was not planned. Like the video, I mean, I didn't plan to actually even upload the video. Me, I was just trying to test the camera. I was just trying to, I mean, because I'm not used to creating that kind of content. I've created it, I think, few times, but I'm not used to actually just creating those kind of videos. So I just felt like, you know what, this year, let me just experiment. And then after recording the video, I just feel like, you know what, let me post it. I mean, the worst that can happen if I post it is that people will not watch it, right? That's why if you look at the video, the background was just, I didn't even care about the background. Honestly, I didn't care about aesthetics. I just wanted to, I mean, I actually did not plan uploading it. Like, it didn't occur to me to upload it when I started recording it. But then I actually did not really care about the aesthetics, and that's why I just uploaded it that way. And you know, one thing that just, I mean, even after uploading the video is doing pretty well now. I mean, it's doing well like my video used to do. I mean, like averagely, even though this is just one day after. I mean, I'm recording this video on the 3rd, so I don't know if this will be going up today too. But then what I'm trying to say is that at the end of the day, no one really cares. Honestly, I feel like there are people that care, but many times we kind of overrate or overemphasize the people that care, such that it now limits us or prevents us or helps us to avoid doing the work. And I'm going to explain what I'm trying to say. So for example, now you know, before I started showing my face, I had a couple of, I mean, I've had my insecurity in the past, and that is one thing that actually made me start showing my face late, because I had a bit of insecurity. But you know, within this short time that I've started showing my face, I realized that people do not really care as much as you think they care. I think people care more about the value you have to offer than whatever factors you are considering that is holding you back from giving the value. I don't know if that makes sense, but I think people are just more interested they are more interested in seeing the value you offer than actually maybe the camera, or I mean, whatever you are so bothered about, and like, oh, people will not like me, oh, people will not like my face, or people will not like my voice, oh, people will not like my I don't know. You can fill in the gap with whatever has been holding you back. People will not like my background. People will not like my. I figured that people do not really care as much. You are overrating how much people care. They only care, or most of them care about the value you have to offer. So if I watch your video and you do not provide any value to me, that is one thing I can't be concerned about. But then about your background, so long as it is decent enough, I mean, people do not really care as much as you think they care. And that is one thing I'm learning. And so I'm currently at a point where I am trying to limit the barrier between creation and showing up, especially on YouTube, because that is the only thing I literally have right now. I mean, I'm out of all my social media platforms, so YouTube is the only place that I have right now. And so I don't think I care as much as I used to about whatever anyone has to say, so long as I am sure that I'm constantly providing value, because for me, that is what my platforms are built around. They are built around constantly and consistently providing value, that when I show up, someone gets value, no matter what form. It could be in entertainment, it could be in education, it could be in information, it could be in knowledge, it could be in spirituality, it could be in inspiration, it could be motivation, it could be anything, but that at least value is being provided, and that is my priority. So as much as possible, I mean, this is a new year, and I'm just putting this out. I mean, I'm just putting this out for anyone who maybe has been holding back because you are considering so many factors that are inconsequential at the end of the day, like they don't really make sense, they don't really matter at the end of the day. I am saying that people do not really care as much as you think they care, and this is one lesson I am also still learning. So it's more like I'm sharing what I'm learning, I'm sharing what I'm still learning with you. So this I'm not sharing from a point of having it all figured out, because I mean I don't have it all figured out, right? But then I'm saying it that based on my own experience and actually based on my own observation, I realized and I figured that a lot of people overestimate themselves too much, like they overestimate their importance too much. And when I say that, I'm saying that you are too concerned about people caring about the things that they are not even saying. They only see them when you now make reference to them, right? So if you are making it obvious to them, then of course they will see it. But if you do not make it obvious and you just focus on providing value, then they don't really care. I mean, they don't really care as much as you want to. So as you're approaching this year, that thing you want to do, just do it. Experiment, right? I had a one-on-one call with Eitemi Journals, and I had a one-on-one call with him that was a few days back. And one thing he kept on sharing with me, I mean, it was such an amazing time with him, sharing ideas and just sharing value and just discussing and also learning. And one thing he kept saying was experiment, just experiment, like just do it, because you would never know how it will turn out until you do it, right? I mean, the idea will keep you will keep ruminating over the idea in your head, you will keep ruminating over the possibilities of the ideas, but you will never really know the kind of result the ideas can bring until you engage them, right? So I feel like I'm going to make a proper video around that. Around the call I had with AE and some of the lessons I learned. I will just share them, right? Hopefully. But I'm saying that people do not really care as much as you think they care, right? Do not overestimate unnecessarily your importance. I mean, you are important, but I'm saying that the people are not really seeing you like that, right? I mean, people do not really care about the things that you are allowing to hold you back, right? Maybe I don't know. I don't know. It can be anything for different people. It can be different things it is usually different things for different people. Like what used to hold me back were a couple of things. It wasn't even about the camera. It wasn't even about me being shy of the camera. I just had my insecurity and that kept holding me back. But the moment I started showing up, I figured that no one really cares like that, right? I don't know if this helped you, but let me know if this helped you in the comment section, or if this has spoken to you in any way. The point is, don't let anything hold you back. People do not really care as much as you think they do, right? I will see you in the next one.